YouTube announced they will give $100 million to the people just like you for creating YouTube Shorts.
Wow!
If you want to learn how to earn this small piece of the pie of this $100 million, then make sure to watch this video step by step. Before we jump straight into this video, I want to explain you guys my plan to earn a lot of money on YouTube with YouTube short videos. Now this is something that you probably never heard before, so make sure to watch this video till end. So you can see YouTube has a budget over $100 million for YouTube creators that create YouTube short videos. So what is YouTube Shorts? If you haven't seen, if you don't have a YouTube account on your mobile phone, basically these are the videos that are just like TikTok videos, and you can go and upload them now on YouTube. So for this promotion of YouTube Shorts, YouTube is giving small creators and also big creators small portion of this $100 million budget over the course of 2021 and 2022. So to confirm that this is 100% legit and you don't need a monetized account, you don't need subscribers, the only thing that you need to get this small portion of $100 million is views on your videos. So to give you guys that, to confirm you guys that this is 100% legit, you can go on YouTube blog and you can see that they have a fund of $100 million that are going to give to creators over the course of 2021 and 2022. So again, you don't need to be monetized, you don't need any subscribers. The only thing that you need is views on your videos. So I want to give you guys an example of YouTube Shorts because I want to show you guys how you can grow also fast on YouTube with YouTube Shorts videos, because YouTube is really pushing these videos. They're really pushing, the algorithm is pushing these videos to get a lot of views. And this is one of the good examples because this video in less than 6 or 7 months, they've got over 300 million views. So what is really great that you can see this YouTube channel has over 700,000 subscribers, but he got most of his subscribers from this video. So you can see this video is only 18 seconds long. And if you go and play this video, you can see he's basically doing the stunts just like on TikTok. So this is going to be something very similar to TikTok, and you can create those type of videos and upload them on YouTube and get views. So I'm going to show you guys also how you can create YouTube short videos and what type of videos you should upload to get views, just like on TikTok. So you can see we're going to use this channel as an example to show you guys how fast you can grow because also of these YouTube Shorts videos. And also, what is YouTube Shorts? Those are the videos that are recorded with your mobile phone. And also these videos are only 60 seconds long. And also that doesn't mean that you need to create 60-second long video. You can also create shorter video. You can see this video is 18 seconds long and they've got 317 million views. So to give you guys an example of how fast this YouTube channel has grown, you can see he's getting in last 30 days 83 million views, and he wasn't getting almost any views on his YouTube channel for years and years, and once he started uploading YouTube Shorts, he's really popping off. You can see he was getting in 1 week 80 million views, in the next week 87 million views, and right now he's getting a little bit less, but still millions and millions of views are coming on his YouTube videos, and those are YouTube Shorts videos, and I'm going to show you guys how you can create them and what type of content should you create. So if you want to go and find out some of the YouTube Shorts videos, you can go and write hashtag YouTube Shorts or just Shorts, and you're going to see the videos that are popping off. So you can see most of these videos are just like TikTok videos. So I'm going to show you guys an example of how you can go and create these type of videos without showing your face, without even recording the videos, without making the videos, and so on. So first thing, you can see also this one has in 1 week, this is crazy, 151 million views in 1 week. That is just crazy. And if you go on, next thing that you want to do is you want to sign up for free. Click on sign up button and create your 100% free Canva account. Once you're done, you want to go and log in, and what you want to do is you want to search right here on Canva search, write TikTok video, because this is the same resolution, same thing. Next thing that you want to do is you want to go and choose the template, or you can just go and click on create blank TikTok. Next thing that you want to do is you want to choose these videos that are 100% free. You can use these videos. Now, you're not going to get copyright strike or anything like that. These videos are 100% free for use, but some of the videos are paid ones. You can see this one is Pro one, so you need to pay actually to use this video, but you can go and use any other for free. So what are we going to do is we're going to choose some free video. Let's go, for example, with this free one. So we can go and put our quote on this video and upload it on YouTube as YouTube Shorts. Next thing, you can go and remove, for example, this text right here, and we can add our own text. So right here, you can go and see what type of content is working. So basically, male facts, we can go and create, for example, male facts on our Canva account. So we're going to write here male facts. And also, if you want to, you can go and make this text bigger so it is easier to see. You can also change the font if you want to. Let's go and search, for example, this one. So I'm going to, for example, use this font right here. You can also put the black background or something like that if you wish, but you can go and click on effects, for example, put some shadows or something like that, but I'm not going to do that right now. You can also put the glow, but I'm going to go with maybe shadow or none. So that is our main effect right here. And so we're going to jumping back and we're going to click on text right here. So we're going to click on headline right here, and we're going to put when a guy calls you hot, and so on. I'm not going to write the whole text. I'm not going to waste your time. So what we want to do is we want to go and put it just like this. Maybe we want to put it a little bit like this, put it in the middle, and change the color of the text so it can be easily seen. So we're going to change the color of the text to white. So this is just an example. You can go and put the background if you want to. You can go and put the elements. So for example, if you want to put some elements right here, so you can put the background or something like that. You can do that also, but I'm not going to do that right now. And you can see right here, we have created our content for our YouTube channel that is 6 seconds long. Now, when you want to download this, click on download button right here and choose MP4 file, and then click on download. So right here, you can see our video is downloading and it is going to take some time. So make sure to wait a few seconds to create this video. And then what you want to do is you want to go and upload your video. Now guys, here you can see I have downloaded our video. So you can see male fact. You can also put this text to come a little bit later or something like that if you want to, but you can see 6 seconds long with your daily fact. So how you can go and now upload this video. So what you want to do is you want to go on YouTube, click on create, and so go on your downloaded files and paste it right here. So this is really important, guys. When you go and upload this type of video, you want to go and write the title, for example, the Daily Man Fact or something like that. The Daily Man Facts. And this is really important, guys. You want to use this hashtag shorts. So you can go and rank this video in this short selection. This is really important. So what you want to do now is you want to go and put this hashtag shorts right here, and you also want maybe to put shorts in the description. So now this is really important. When you upload your video, you want to check out how your thumbnail is looking. So you can see this is our thumbnail going to be. This is how it is going to look like, just like the shorts one. So you can see right here. These are the thumbnails that are created automatically by YouTube. So you want to go now and upload this video, and you want to upload as many videos as you can, because this is really important. Not every single video is going to be the winner one, especially if you're just getting started. So if you're getting started with YouTube Shorts and your YouTube channel, you don't want to expect to get successful overnight. That is not how it is going to work. So that is it for today's video, guys. If you're really serious about starting your YouTube business, growing your subscribers, making multiple streams of income from your YouTube channel, I have a YouTube course where I teach you guys step by step how I personally grown multiple YouTube channels over 100,000 subscribers and how I'm making money on YouTube. You can click the first link in the description and you're going to see a page like this. You can watch this video where I explain you guys how I make money on YouTube with multiple streams of income. You can see some of the testimonials right here. And if you're really serious about starting your YouTube channel, starting your YouTube business, you can click on this buy button right here and you can use coupon code to get $40 off your purchase. So if you go and click on add coupon code and you enter 40 right here and click apply, you're going to get $40 off your purchase. So that is for all my YouTube subscribers that are interested in how to start YouTube business seriously. And also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, guys, make sure to press that subscribe button if you want to see more videos on how to make money online and how to make money on YouTube.